Video number 6. Writing emails. Email is a valuable tool for communication in a serious business setting. But it is one thing to write an email, and another thing to craft one that conveys the right message to your audience. Most business owners and managers do not understand the conventions surrounding the writing of emails. As a result, miscommunication can occur, especially when your expectations are completely different from those of your target audience. Messages sent through email can differ in their format. There's no right format to use. Nonetheless, the format used depends on several factors, among them the purpose, target audience, and your prospects in the business. Important. Let your email stand out as much as possible to grab the attention of the receivers. Statistics recorded in 2014 indicate that 65% of emails sent for marketing purposes get opened by mobile users. Even though opened, these messages don't get much of the audience's attention. Thus, be creative and strive towards grabbing the reader's attention. Writing emails to pre-sell, not to sell the subscribers. Have you ever written an email to your subscribers expecting that it would be effective? Or have you sent emails to your subscribers expecting to make exciting sales? That is always the case for every beginner in the business world. Generally speaking, it is not the job of a well-crafted email to sell a product. Instead, it should capture the attention of the prospect and get them interested in buying the product. Let your emails pre-sell by answering all the questions your audience might have concerning the product. The email should also counter any objections the prospects are likely to face in their quest to acquire the product or service. An email written for pre-sale purposes has a compelling headline that grabs the attention of the readers. The content should also identify with the reader using a clear description highlighting the pain the audience is undergoing. Lastly, ensure your email provides a solution, the proper credentials, bonuses, testimonials, benefits, reassurance, and costs involved. Make sure you complete your email with a postscript to reinforce the important selling points. Writing email headlines. The headline of your email should be attractive and compelling to grab the attention of the readers. It should make them want to read the rest of the email. The best headline should be short and descriptive. It should provide the recipient with a reason to open the email and read it further. Avoid using flashy phrases. They could get your email ignored rather than entice the recipient. Avoid using words such as free, reminder, help, and % off. They could trigger spam filters and affect your open rates negatively. Starting paragraph. The starting paragraph is the trickiest to write. To start off with less effort and more confidence, answer the question your subscribers ask whenever they receive an email. What is the email about? Avoid ineffective and throat-clearing sentences that could distract the real message. Consider using the words you and your in your writing to bring out a persuasive tone. These words focus on the recipient and draw their attention to reading what you are addressing. A good example would be, when you think about your body odor, do you feel confident or irritated? The starting paragraph is never predefined. It depends more on why you are writing the email. You could write to respond to a complaint, confirm an agreement, provide reference, share important information, explain changes in business policy, apologize, congratulate, or invite. The reason you are writing the email will guide your opening statement. Using the right call to action. After opening and reading your email, the greatest challenge for subscribers is to take action. A CTA always provokes the subscriber to take the next step and buy your products or services. The words used in the CTA matter immensely. Strive towards offering high value at a low and affordable cost. If you have one CTA, consider placing it at the bottom. Nonetheless, if you have a second one, place it on the left side of the email, since readers read content published online in an F-shaped manner. Use words like earn, get, reveal, check this out, and discover. Links and size of the email. The question on the number of links to be used in your email is tricky, but it is best to use many links that are obvious to the subscriber. You won't make sales if you have no links to what your email is communicating. Links are a silent way to tell the subscriber to buy your products and services. There is also a heated debate in the business world on the actual length of a pre-sell email. Some prefer long, while others feel a shorter one, communicating precisely. My advice would be strive for establishing a good relationship and excellent content that appeals to your readers. It doesn't matter how long or short it is, as long as it communicates in a captivating manner that can convert subscribers to sales. Using testimonials. Testimonials are very effective at communicating your message to the subscribers. They should be accompanied by the photo, full name, location, and if possible, the audio of the real case study. You can consider reproducing the testimonials on your website in your emails. Let the testimonials tackle the problem faced by the subscriber and the effectiveness of the products and services you offer. Sign off. A sign off is the last thing you want your subscribers to see in your email. If done right, it could be a motivating factor after a great email presentation. Take the time to think about how you want to end your emails. While signing off your emails, avoid including quotes. Don't use an oversized logo of your business. Include a short and precise title with relevant contact information. P.S. Post statement. Don't forget to add a post statement. Many subscribers will scroll towards the end of the page instead of reading your email. Make a point of grabbing them before they close your email. Let your PS appeal to the emotions of the customer and reinforce the important selling points of your business. Nonetheless, make it enticing to arouse curiosity.